Presenting Samsung Galaxy M53 5G smartphone in emerald brown. It comes in a size of 0.7 into 7.7 into 16.5 centimeters and weighs 176 grams. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory that is expandable to 1 TB. This touch phone features a dual SIM. The 6.7 inches Super AMOLED Plus FHD Plus display comes in a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It is also equipped with a fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The phone has 108 megapixel quad cameras and 32 megapixel front camera. It runs on MTK D900 Octa Core 2.4 GHz 6 nanometer processor with 4x4 Mimo Band support for a HyperFast 5G experience and latest Android version 12.0 and One UI 4 operating system. The phone is powered with 5000 mAh battery that lasts all day. The box includes the handset, ejection pin, data cable and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.